Howdy folks, it's the artist Jack Brown in with you again. Thanks for joining me this week. I hope you're all doing well. Coming at you from a pretty cool England this week as opposed to last week. It was like living in a furnace. And anyway, I'm going to be showing you a little of my painting, A History You Can't Hide. So in this painting I wanted to honour black horsemanship and black cowboys in the American West, and it all came about after I'd finished my dissertation on that topic for my final year of university. So I looked and went through hundreds of archival photos and kind of combining a couple of them, went to work on this oil painting. Anyhow, I'm going to leave you with the time lapse. Don't forget to check out all my links in the video description, and I'll see you on the next episode. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy.